In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Meeting Scheduler in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional way for people to book time with you without the back and forth emails. First, open Pipedrive and head to the Activities section on the left bar. This is your hub for calls, tasks, and meetings. At the top of the Activities list, you'll see an option for Meeting Scheduler. Click that to open the scheduling tools. Next, select Manage Availability. This is where you define exactly when people can book meetings with you. Think of it as your public calendar rules. If you only want meetings on certain days or at certain times, this is where you set that up. Click the Add Availability button to create your first availability block. You'll choose how long each meeting should be, when the availability is active, and which times on each day are open for bookings. For example, you might choose 30-minute meetings available on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. If your schedule varies throughout the week, you can create multiple blocks to reflect that. Below those options, you'll see buffer and time settings. Buffers add a cushion before or after meetings, preventing back-to-back bookings, and giving you time to prepare or take notes. You can also adjust other time-related preferences here, like how soon someone can book and how far in advance they're allowed to schedule. Use these settings to protect your focus time and keep your day manageable. Once your availability looks right, continue to meeting details. Here, you'll customize what NVDs see when they book with you. Add a clear meeting name, choose a location or video option if applicable, and write a brief description that sets expectations, like the purpose of the meeting or anything attendees should prepare. You can also standardize meeting lengths here if you haven't already, and make sure the tone and instructions match your brand. Double-check that everything reflects your working hours and typical workflow, so bookings fit smoothly into your day. That's it. You clicked into Activities, opened Meeting Scheduler, managed your availability with clear blocks, applied helpful buffer and time settings, and wrapped it up by entering the meeting details. With these pieces in place, your calendar will stay organized, and your attendees will know exactly what to expect when they book with you. There you go. That's all.